Hello, this is Blog Anything with Judy again. And today we will talk about 7 tips para gumaling sa English. But first things first, you have to know that you are never too young or too old to start learning English. Now, don't make excuses not to learn. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. First step, surround yourself in English. Put yourself in an all English speaking environment where you can learn passively. The best way to learn is through speaking. So, for sure, no, makakahanap ka ng paraan para ma-practice yung speaking skill mo. Like, talking to your nephews and nieces. Kung wala ka namang mga pamangkin, so, anak na kapitbahay mo, or parang native speaker na magsalita ng English. Yun, nakakatulong talaga yun. Second step, get a pen friend or use chat rooms, forums, and community sites. If you can speak to someone in English, this is the best thing. Now, tips number 3, learn English songs. Show the world your beautiful voice. Sing along with them to improve your fluency and intonation. Siyempre, alam ko hindi lahat sa atin mahilig kumanta. But be brave and try it. Record your voice and listen to your pronunciation and intonation. It will help you to identify your problem areas. So yun play. So tips number 4, keep a diary or write a blog in English. This is the best way to improve your writing skill. Tips number 5, don't be in such a hurry to move up a level. Concentrate on the level you are at now. Now, tips number 6, listen, listen, listen. Yes, that is right. Now, it will help us improve our English. Now, here, listen to your favorite podcast, audiobooks, or anything that interests you. This is so easy to do. Maglalaba ka, matutulog, magbibiyahe, o ano pa mang ginagawa mo. Basta may phone ka lang. Now, last but not the least, number 7, don't give up. Stay positive. Sometimes you will feel that you aren't learning quickly enough. Everyone feels like this. Don't worry about it. You'll get there in the end. So, this is it for today's vlog. Medyo napagod yung aking boses, no? So, kung nakulangan kayo sa mga tips, I will put a link below kung saan isi-share ko sa inyo ang 101 ways to learn English with reference yan kung saan ko pinuha. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload bundles of interesting things again. And thank you so much. Have a great day.